This one's called a feather servo, and it's made by High-Tech. The model number is HS55. And what's inside? You have a connector, and you have the servo motor itself. But these three white plastic things here are called horns, and they connect to the top of the motor. There's a gear here, which is the end of the motor, and so they connect to it like that. They slide on, and then they allow you to mount your motor very easily. And with this one's nice because we actually see the range of the motion, the possible motion of the servo. Right here on the red corner is facing out. And so say I tell it to go to 45 degrees, it'll just go up to 45 degrees, all the way up to 180. And so that's the end of its range. And so that's what a servo motor allows you to do. It basically allows you to go to any position in a 180 degree turn. And there, okay. So it goes through your servo horn, and then it mounts it and it screws in there, and it really couples them very tight together, so you have a nice solid connection. These screws, I believe, are for mounting these. So they supply two of those, two wood screws. That's what that is, just a replacement for the black one, because you do tend to lose those. So that's essentially a servo motor. This one is a HS311, also a High-Tech, and this one is fresh. We haven't opened this one before because they usually have a horn on them. Take this guy off. So this is much more rugged of a servo. It comes with, and it also comes with a whole lot more hardware. This horn is really thick, heavy plastic, and yeah. So if you really wanted to move something heavy, you might want to use this guy. So this part goes in, and you can either tighten it there or tighten it there, so you can have a variable length. Again, you have your wood screws, and then your wood screws go through here. And what this does really is provide some cushion, so if there's any vibration from the motor as it gets tight, this whole thing clamps down, so it kind of acts like a washer too. And then a couple more servo horns. So that's what you get when you purchase this